everybody, boys of Rest of Movies back here, and today I'm just going to tell you a little thing about the crew of Rest of Movies. Actually, it's only me, and I have one who helped me, who was named Dark Demontia on Minecraft. But we make some movies, machine dance, gameplays, and a lot of more stuff. And I also need to tell you guys that just for some minutes ago I played on Hypixel server Wrath of the Fallen adventure map with some other guys. This is just a message to them. Yes, it's me. Just subscribe me if you want to, and remember it. You guys are winning. Also in it. And again, I'm lagging. Come on, stop it. I'm only playing a single player. Um, okay. Anyways, that was just a message, and it was just quick. So I catch you guys later.